Hi, once again, I'm back, Kaushik Chatterjee. In this video, we are going to discuss again a new topic, and that is all about in the series of how to make money. That is, we are already in the series of discussion. So here we are going to discuss a different topic, and the first topic what we are going to discuss that is all about your emergency fund. Very important. Even most of the people, even whatever they are working, or maybe they are actually doing any business, or let's say they are working as a freelancer, they are working as a consultant. So whatever various profession you are into, even somebody, let's say on a contract basis, when somebody is working, so whatever the situation they are into, I have to get ready with my emergency fund. Because what is first of all emergency fund? Any moment of time, let's say if I lose my job, if I get some downside in my business, or let's say there is a lot of medical issues, there are a lot of medical treatment, or let's say there is some, all of a sudden there will be some education cost. So these are all your emergency cost which you cannot even compromise at that moment. But if you do not have any money, or if you are not even aware, if you are not even ready with this emergency fund, so what I need to do, either I need to borrow from someone, maybe a person, maybe from a bank, or maybe from any other financial institute, where again I need to pay a huge, even hefty amount of interest. And definitely one way I'm just going to get this money, but other way I'm actually losing my money by paying off that interest, maybe someone, or maybe to the financial organization. So that way nobody can even make money. So here we are in a clear discussion how to make money. So before we get into how to make money, so we have to always keep in mind whatever my earning, on that even I have to save something. And that saving part, if I do, then only I can do my investment, a proper investment, and there only I can make my money. So now the second thing, what exactly comes to all of our mind, like how much I need to get ready with my emergency fund. Nobody knows. Nobody knows what kind of situation is going to happen even tomorrow. I don't know even what is going to happen even tomorrow, even for me, even for anybody else. But if I take an example, there is no even proper calculation, as I told you, irrespective of your all your professions, everything. There is no proper calculation, but whatever my yearly earning, in terms of somebody is a salaried person, or maybe somebody is a business person, whatever my yearly total earning, for a salaried person it would be counted as your CTC. For let's say any business person, they will be counting like what exactly your entire even business turnover, or let's say your entire even profit, whatever you feel. So again, when I'm talking about your business turnover, so on your business turnover, at least you should have at least a certain XYZ amount as your profit, and that profit only I'm just talking. So let's say typically for a business person, if I look out, so 18 to 20%, let's say they will be having their profit in their business. So it is quite difficult for a business person to calculate, but still on a lower side also, if you calculate, let's say if I take whatever business I'm doing, so 15%. So now how much I need to get ready? For a salaried person, it is fixed. For a service person, it is fixed. So let's say, take an example. Let's say if a salaried person, and let's say somebody is earning yearly around, let's say 10 lakhs, or maybe around 50 lakhs, or maybe about once year. Whatever my yearly CTC, whatever my yearly earning as a salaried person, as a service person, straight on that 50%, I should keep as my emergency fund. So if somebody is 10 lakhs, so 5 lakhs. If somebody is 50 lakhs, they should be 25 lakhs. If somebody is, let's say, once a year, they should have at least 50 lakhs in their bank account, or maybe whatever, liquid cash, even whatever way they feel, however you feel, even what style of living you have. So all this scenario you have to capture, and based on that one, you have to get ready with this money. Again, for the businessman, as I was talking, so let's say if I feel my business is getting around 15% profit, so on that 15%, at least I should have minimum 3 to 4 times of that as a emergency money or emergency fund. So it's very simple. Similarly, for let's say any kind of consulting job, any kind of freelancing job, so they have to be little bit prepare on this, because as you know, maybe, or somebody into a contractual business, So as you know, even may not, I'll not be getting a regular work, may not be, I'll not be getting a regular income also. So for them the calculation will be a little bit different. Whatever you have earned in a year, let's say, or in that contract business, or in that freelancing business, whatever you have earned, whatever in that consulting business you have earned, on that at least 60 to 65%. So again, the same calculation, if somebody is earning around, let's say, 10 lakhs, somebody is earning around 50 lakhs, or let's say around once a year, on that it should be around 60 to 65% on a safer side. So 10 lakhs of 65% is how much? 6.5 lakhs. 50% of that, again 1 CR of that, you have to keep it as your emergency fund. Now, why this difference? You might ask. For a service person, you are saying it is 50%. For a regular business person, you are talking about on your profit, it should be 3 to 4 times. But why it is 65% on a higher side for somebody who is not in a regular profession, maybe on a regular income? So that is the only answer. Because if I'm working as a freelancer, if I'm working as a contractual basis, if I'm working, let's say, as a consulting mode, so my project once gets over, I'm actually incomeless. So for that, you have to get ready more amount on your emergency fund. If it is not, then again, as I told you, so it is your money, it is your life, it is your expense, it is your savings, it is your investment. So if you wisely do all these things, so definitely you are going to save your own life, your own even family, and you no need to borrow even any money on even emergencies, irrespective of medical expense, irrespective of education, irrespective of losing income, irrespective of losing in my business, whatever the situation, you are well prepared. And the moment you are well prepared, if you are not even borrowing, if you are not paying any extra addition, any kind of interest, you are going to save your money. You are going to make your money. And that is the first thing you have to make a habit to get how to make money. Thanks. Thanks for watching.